Friends, do you also want to build an attractive and muscular body? And have you been going to the gym for a long time, but still not seeing results? Or have you just recently started going to the gym? So friends, today you have clicked on absolutely the right video, which is going to be very important for you. So make sure to watch the video from start to finish. And at the end of the video, I will also tell you some important diet tips. So friends, without wasting much of your time, let's start today's video. Friends, today I'm going to tell you the best 5 exercises that you should never miss in your life. These exercises will not only make your body strong, but will also help you stay safe from injuries. Friends, our first exercise is squats. Squats are a fundamental movement, and if you perform them regularly, they provide strength not only to your lower body, but also to your upper body. Along with this, they make all parts of your legs, such as quads, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, very strong. They also strengthen your knees and spine to a great extent. If you do squats daily, they significantly improve your sitting posture. You can perform squats both at home and in the gym. Friends, what is the correct way to do squats? Let's understand that. You can perform squats with or without weights. You just need to focus on keeping your posture correct. While going down, your knees should not go ahead of your toes, and your back should remain completely straight. You should do 4 sets of squats with 20 to 25 repetitions. Friends, our third exercise is plank. If you do the plank exercise daily for 5 minutes, it makes your core very strong. This strengthens your lower back and reduces lower back problems to a great extent. Friends, doing planks helps your stomach go in quickly, and your abs will start becoming visible. You will begin to see results within a week. Let me tell you one thing. If your core is strong, your overall body performance improves a lot, and you won't experience lower back pain while standing up, sitting down, or running. Friends, our fourth exercise is lunges. Lunges make both your legs strong, increase knee mobility, and make your muscles more flexible. While performing this exercise, you need to keep your waist straight and your knee slightly above the ground, maintaining proper balance. You can perform alternate lunges or walking lunges, both of which are very effective for your body. Friends, our fifth and last exercise is pull-ups. Whether you perform this exercise in the gym or at home, it is one of the most important exercises for you. Let me tell you one thing. If you do pull-ups daily, they not only train your back, but also make your biceps and grip stronger. If you're a beginner and cannot do pull-ups, you can use resistance bands or do inverted pull-ups instead. Pull-ups are an excellent long-term exercise that greatly improves your posture and increases your spinal strength. Friends, these are the 5 best exercises that you can easily perform in the gym, at home, or in a park. Do not skip these exercises at all. You only need to do these exercises 3 days a week, taking a 1-day gap in between. So friends, this was today's video on the 5 best exercises that you should never skip. If you like today's video, please like it, and to watch more informative videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.